Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things tech and innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, those fascinating flying machines that have captured the imagination of people all over the world. Drones come in all shapes and sizes, from small, compact models perfect for beginners to advanced drones equipped with high-quality cameras and long-range capabilities. But what exactly makes drones so special? Drones have revolutionized industries like photography, agriculture, and even search and rescue missions. Their ability to capture stunning aerial footage and reach remote locations with ease has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. And let's not forget the adrenaline-pumping world of drone racing, where pilots navigate their drones through challenging courses at breakneck speeds. It's a sport that's taking the world by storm and pushing the limits of what these machines can do. But perhaps the most exciting development in the world of drones is the rise of drone delivery services. Imagine getting your packages delivered right to your doorstep by a flying drone. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. So whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to explore new horizons or just curious about the latest innovations, drones are sure to capture your imagination. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of drones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, happy flying.